Welcome back to my channel, Technology in the Future. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting face-offs in the world of compact digital cameras to powerhouses that are generating serious buzz: the GoPro Hero 14 Black and the DJI Pocket 4. These devices are rumored to push boundaries in both action-packed adventure videography and compact cinematic content creation. Whether you're an extreme sports enthusiast or a lifestyle vlogger on the go, the upcoming gear from GoPro and DJI could redefine how we think about portable video tools in 2025. For years, GoPro has been the go-to name for athletes, explorers, and adrenaline seekers. Known for its rugged design and unmatched image stabilization, it's been a reliable companion in some of the harshest filming environments. However, the upcoming GoPro Hero 14 Black is expected to take things a huge step further. Leaks suggest this model may feature a 1-inch CMOS sensor, first for GoPro's lineup. This upgrade would mean enhanced clarity, significantly improved low-light performance, and a wider dynamic range, translating to more lifelike footage. Whether you're capturing a sunrise hike or diving into crystal-clear waters, the Hero 14 Black is also said to be powered by GoPro's next-gen GP3 processor, which could drastically improve thermal efficiency and processing power. This advancement might allow for longer 4,000 and 5.3K video sessions, without the common overheating issues, ensuring creators don't miss a single moment. Paired with improvements in battery tech and possibly new high-capacity battery packs, GoPro could be delivering its most reliable device yet for extended outdoor filming. A rumored edge-to-edge touchscreen, more intuitive interface, and upgraded tactile buttons point toward an even smoother user experience, especially critical for creators shooting in fast-paced environments. But DJI isn't standing still. Known for redefining stabilized footage through its drone tech and handheld devices, the company's upcoming DJI Pocket 4 could be a game-changer for mobile filmmakers and vloggers who prioritize quality and portability. Rumors hint at a rotating 2.5-inch touchscreen, giving users more flexibility and comfort during filming. At the core of the Pocket 4 is a potential 1-inch sensor matched with a bright 20mm f2.0 lens, making it capable of producing DSLR-like image quality in a camera that fits in your palm. What sets the Pocket 4 apart is its rumored ability to shoot 4K at 4 FPS, delivering ultra-smooth slow-motion footage. It's also likely to support 10-bit color depth, HDR video, and a significantly upgraded eye-tracking autofocus system, ideal for creators who record dynamic face-to-camera content. And with ActiveTrack 7.0 expected to debut, DJI seems focused on even more precise subject tracking. Whether you're skateboarding through a city or filming scenic landscapes on the move, another big highlight is the Pocket 4's expected rapid charging capability, potentially reaching a full charge in just 25 minutes. Combined with refined heat management and improved energy efficiency, this makes it a powerful tool for creators who need quick turnarounds without waiting on long charge times. While GoPro's Hero 14 Black remains the top choice for extreme sports, underwater escapades, and rugged terrains, the Pocket 4 is shaping up to be the ideal solution for vloggers, digital storytellers, and travelers who want cinematic results without carrying bulky gear. Each device appeals to a slightly different audience, but both showcase just how much innovation is transforming the world of portable video capture. 2025 is shaping up to be a turning point in compact camera design. These upcoming models suggest a future where mobility doesn't mean compromise. Whether you're capturing a cliffside bike ride or recording a travel vlog in a bustling city, these cameras offer creators a powerful blend of quality, flexibility, and innovation. If you're looking to invest in the next wave of creative technology, the GoPro Hero 14 Black and DJI Pocket 4 are definitely worth watching. With major improvements in image processing, intelligent tracking, stabilization, and usability, both models reflect a growing trend of user-focused enhancements. As competition heats up between action cams and stabilized handhelds, consumers can expect better tools that match their creative ambitions. Thanks for tuning into Technology in the Future, where we bring you the latest on cutting-edge devices and tools transforming digital creativity. If you found this breakdown useful, make sure to like the video, leave a comment with your favorite upcoming feature, and subscribe for more deep dives into future tech, from compact cameras to the latest in wearables, smartphones, and beyond. Until next time, keep creating and stay ahead of the future curve.